Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to manage clubs mode. In clubs mode you can play as one player and win as a team. You can build your pro, create club and play with friends. Enter clubs. And now you can start match, manage your professional player, join club, create club or transfer, check leaderboards, and manage club store. In top right corner you've got amount of money you can spend in club. Also in top right corner you can check level of your pro and skill points available. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.